right, we have been driving for hours, 3.5 hours through the mountains, and we are now in Baler. And just from looking around, I'd have to say that the industry out here is coconuts. Tons of coconuts.
And tourism.
And tourism. Yeah, there's a lot of tourists. We're seeing that. It also looks, we're right on the coast. We're on the west coast of the Philippine main island. And we've never been this way, so this is pretty exciting. We've seen some properties that are for sale out here, so we want to come take a look and see what...
We're on the East Coast.
Oh, are we on the East Coast? Never eat shredded wheat. Oh, we are on the East Coast. See, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But we're in Baler, guys. We're in Baler. Let's show you what it looks like. Lots of farmland, lots of water. There's so much water out here. And we're on a little baby road. Here we are in Baler. We've got pretty much the same stuff you'd find in any big town.
Did we make it to our destination?
Yes, here we just made it to Baler. We're gonna go check out the beach.
Mommy,
Yes, my love.
the owl is wearing a hat. Guess what type of hat it is?
No idea. Top hat.
The one you graduate from school.
Oh, nice. Because owls represent knowledge.
Okay, I can't put this in my car.
Okay, we found some parking. It was 50 peso.
Not bad.
Apparently we found like the middle of the boardwalk, so we're gonna go walk it and check it out. We are in Baler. Nice. Tourist police. I like it. There's tourist police. Check out these waves. This is a very like rough ocean right there.
Guess we're in the center.
Okay.
We can either walk that way or this way.
Well, there's a sidewalk up on the top, it looks like. So, yeah. Okay. Who is swimming in this water? It's hardcore. This is a nice resort. Yeah, this is Baler. It's a beautiful beach.
Wait, no, 4, I see it.
Wow, that girl is on. Oh wow, she fell. Hey, people are in there like handling these waves. That's cool.
No, no thank you.
And there's the coffee circle. Oh! You're crazy. The one with the
So
surf.
Baler has some really strong like waves. These are stronger waves than what we had like back where we lived in Morro Bay and like Pismo. We lived in Pismo area.
Yeah, but it's not that deep. Look at the guy.
Yeah, that's true. It's not deep.
It's not that deep.
So this is like a good spot to learn how to surf, maybe.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, I want to know. I don't trust those.
Okay, so we were told don't swim in this area because the current is there, and so it'll take you out. So it's better to swim over here where shallow, and you can see the waves. Look at this water.
It's gonna pull you in. Hey, check it out, check it out. No, 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 no. Look at how strong the water is. Look at how strong the water is. That's why it's hitting right there. That's why they said don't go on there. Because this is where it sucks you in. You get sucked in right there. This is a dangerous spot right here.
Black sand. Yes. Got a surf school. Oh, it's a surf resort. And then here is the surfing. Oh, this is an infinity pool right in front of the ocean. That's nice. All right, guys. So we find ourselves in a pool because we are staying at this resort. It costs $188 for a night. We have the ocean view right from our room. And also we're here in this pool. This pool's a great pool for our kids. We tried to be out there in the water, but it was just like way too, like the current was way too hard. Our kids were not gonna be safe swimming out there. We decided to spend the night. We did bring one change of clothes each. So, but here we are. And if you wanna see like a tour of the place and you wanna kind of find out what's going on here, I did a live earlier today. And so come back and look at the live. You can get a good idea of what we've been up to out here on the boardwalk. Okay, I spy with my little eye a fruit in the tree, guys. Okay, but you gotta tell me what kind of fruit is this, because I don't know what it is. What is this fruit? What is that? Does anybody know what that is? Got some fruit here. It's fresh. I'm gonna get the mango. So we are totally resorting it up right now. Let me see. We got the beach house menu. And looks like they have classic Filipino food. Arroz caldo for breakfast. Tortang talang. Good morning, Baler. Yeah, that's gonna be me tomorrow. For sure. Golden calamari. Macho nacho. And some seafood, pumpkin soup, seafood chowder. And I mean, the prices are here are very expensive. In the province, you can get one of these dishes for 40 peso. So we're definitely in a tourist spot. like chop suey, I can get that in the province for like 40 peso. So you can see the difference in price going from like
Thank you.
tourist town and the province. Hey, yo, they got pizza. And my kids are pizza eaters. All right. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What do we have here?
And then for breakfast,
Oh, I finally put my hair up. I'm using one of Hobart's like little baby rubber bands that he uses for his hair, but it'll hold for now. And I've got my fresh mango drink. It tastes really delicious. All right, so I ordered some rice. I got this like soup.
Chicken pinakon.
It comes in a
Coconut.
And then I got some sinigang for Hobart, of course. Well, we're probably gonna share both of these.
Oh wow. That's
Yes, thank you. Kids got pizza and a burger that they didn't like.
Followers or subscribers who
Okay, here he is. He wants to do a shout out?
Hi, what's up?
Yes.